12वीच्या भुरग्यांची निमणी परीक्षा 10 ते 27 फेब्रुवारी या दिसांनी जातली अशी माहिती गोवा बोर्डाकडल्यान मेळ्ळा। तसेच वास्को 4 सेंटरांनी 4 स्ट्रीमांच्या भुरग्यांक वाटून घालतले अशी माहिती वास्को सेंटराच्या कंडक्टरान दिल्या।
तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान या भुरग्यांनी नोंद घेवची आणि प्रत्येक पालकान आपापल्या भुरग्यांक या स्पॉटाचेर म्हणजे एग्जामिनेशन सेंटराचेर टायमा पयलीं तांकां हाडून पावोवचे सो दॅट तांकां कसल्याच प्रकारचे टायमाक लागून प्रॉब्लेम जावचे ना हाची काळजी घेवपाची गरज आसा। सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार MESन आमगेले सगळे सायन्साचे भुरगे जितले आसा ते MESन एग्जाम आन्सर करतले, कॉमर्साचे जितले भुरगे आसा तितले भुरगे तुगेले सेंट एंड्रुसान आन्सर करतले, आर्ट्साचे भुरगे जे आसा ते केशव श्रुती हायर सेकंडरीन आन्सर करतले दाबोली, आणि वोकेशनल व्यावसायिक जे भुरगे आसा ते तुगेले दीप वेर हायर सेकंडरी स्कुलान आन्सर करतले। हाज्या भायर फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेकंड लँग्वेज जी आसा कोंकणी लँग्वेज 2, फ्रेंच लँग्वेज 2, पोर्चुगीज लँग्वेज 2 आणि मराठी लँग्वेज 2 ह्या तिनूय स्ट्रिमीन जे पळय मराठी, कोंकणी, फ्रेंच, पोर्चुगीज जे भुरगे आन्सर करपाचे आसा ते सगळे भुरगे त्या पेपरा दिसा दीप वेर हायर सेकंडरी स्कुलान येवन आन्सर करतले, कारण ते थोडे थोडे भुरगे आसात आनी ताका लागून आमकां ते एकूच सेंटरा अंडर ते सगळे एग्जाम घेवचे पडटा। अशा प्रकारची सुविधा आमी वास्को सेंटरा खातीर केल्या। तेन्ना सगळ्यांनी हेची व्यवस्थितपणे नोंद घेवची आणि आपल्या पद्दतीन जे कितें तांकां शक्य आसा पेरंट्सांक किंवा आपल्या स्टुडंट्सांक ते तेणें आमकां कोऑपरेट करचें।
Thank you for being here, especially the press, to let our students who are answering their Goa Board, Standard 12 exams, to know where the sub-center is, where they are going to answer. As the conductor, Sri Shulin Sheth, has already told, where are the various sub-centers. We will see that the examination is conducted smoothly. A request to maybe the print media, the traffic police and the bus operators especially to see that the students going in their respective sub-centers are not delayed for their examination. Also a request to all the candidates who are going to answer at various sub-centers to be in time. As ma'am has said, practically the first bell is always given out half an hour before the paper is scheduled to begin. So all the candidates are taken just half an hour before in the respective halls. Please try to make it there. And as Sir has specified, the second language, Hindi, will be held in the respective centers. But the others like Konkani, French, Portuguese and Marathi will be held in DPR. So the candidates need to keep it in mind. And from my side, from DPR Higher Secondary School, all support will be rendered to the conductor, to the Goa Board, to the observer and all the personnel who are involved in this board examination.
I will make sure that the sanctity, fairness and the smooth conduct of the examination will be maintained. Also, my humble request to the parents and the students to be present much in advance. It's because that you should not get delayed for your examination.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले आनी सानिका नागवेकर।